Students, last class first term book we are now completed. Now we are going to see second term book. Now we are going to see second term unit 1 prose adventure of Don Quixote. Okay, adventures of Don Quixote means bold and risky person. Don Quixote is a bold person. Once upon a time in a village called La Mancha in Spain, there lived a man who loved to read about knights. Knights means soldiers. Okay. Once upon a time in a village called La Mancha. Okay. The village name is La Mancha in Spain. Where it's in Spain. There lived a man who loved to read about knights. Okay. The man liked to read knights. Okay. Knights means soldiers. Every day he could read about courageous knights and incredible adventures they had. Incredible means unbelievable. Okay. He always read the books courageous knights and incredible adventures. He was so absorbed in these stories that she hardly remembered to eat or sleep. Okay, he observed. Observed means he is great interested in reading soldier stories. Okay, so he can't able to sleep or eat. The day of night and a squeeze of exciting adventures and romance come alive in the hilarious. Hilarious means amazing. Okay, hilarious means amazing account of Don Quixote travel. Okay, in this lesson we are going to see Don Quixote is one of the person and another person is Sancho Panza. Okay, they are going to travel. This is the main concept in this story. As years passed, Don Quixote imaged himself placed in the worlds of knights. Okay, he want to place his name. Okay, as year passed, his name was Don Quixote imaged himself placed in the world of knights. He convinced Sancho Panza, a peasant from the same village, to be his squeezer. Okay, peasants means a farmer. Okay, the Sancho Panza is a farmer, so he called the person, you have come with me. Okay, we will reach the place. Don sets on a journey in search of squeeze. He meets Sancho Panza. Okay, Don Quixote and Sancho Panza, both of them reaching the journey. Sancho, how could you like to become my servant and accompany me on a great adventures? Your servant. Okay, Sancho. Don Quixote is asking Sancho, you became my servant. Sancho asking, your servant? Yes. If you serve me faithfully and honestly, I will reward you with an island. Okay. Don Quixote say, yes, if you serve me faithfully, if you work faithfully and honorably to me, I will give you island. Okay, I will reward you with an island. Okay, an island. Are you sure? Seriously? Okay, Sancho asking, seriously? Are you giving me island for me? Yes. Wow, it's upon my honor as a knight. So will you come with me? Okay, Sancho is asking, okay, I will give you island for you. Okay, so you will come with me. Yes, master, I will come with you. Okay, Sancho is saying, I will come with you, sir. The two men set out on a journey together. Okay, two persons are going journey. On a hill in front of them, they could see a large old windmill. Okay, they are reaching the journey. So that way they saw the large windmill, okay, on the hillside in front of them, okay. They going on the hillside, and that place they saw the large windmill, okay. When he saw it, Don Quixote's eyes began to sparkle. Sparkle means shining, okay. They saw the big windmill, okay. Look, Sancho, how dare that hideous ogre block our path, okay. Don Quixote is asking, see, Sancho, see that. The gained, okay, ogre means gained block our path, okay. What? An ogre? Where the master? That is a windmill. It's not a ogre, it's a windmill. Sancho is saying like this. I tell you, these are ogre. And if you are afraid of them, go aside and say your prayer while I engage them in combat. Combat means fighting, okay. I tell you, these are ogre, okay. You are afraid of them. You are afraid means go and sit there and pray to God, okay. I want to fight with them, okay. Don Quixote says, I want to fight with Ben. Sancho, you go and sit there. Master, that is a windmill, okay. Sancho is saying, this is not a gain, master, it's a windmill. Don Quixote flew towards the windmill and collided with it, okay. Hey, prepare to face my spare ogre. Okay, Don Quixote, I am ready to fight with you. Unfortunately, Sancho's shout and warning paused ahead. Don Quixote and Rocinante charged the windmill at full speed. Rocinante means Don Quixote having the horse. The horse name is Rocinante, okay. Unfortunately, Sancho's shouts and warning paused unheard, okay. Sancho is shouting, but Don Quixote cannot able to hear, okay. Don Quixote and Rocinante charged the windmill at full speed, okay. They charged the windmill. Master, are you all right? See, I told you it was just a windmill. Did I not give you a fair warning? Master, Sancho is saying, Master, are you all right? See, I told you it was just a windmill. Master, I already told you this is the windmill. It's not a gauge. Did I not give you a fair warning? Look, Sancho, the ogre is more seriously wounded than I am. Sancho is saying, okay, look, Sancho, okay, Don Quixote saying, Sancho, see, the ogre got seriously wounded than I am. You are absolutely right. You are great knight indeed. You have defeated the fearsome windmill breast, okay. Both of them talking each other. You are absolutely right. You are great knight indeed. You have defeated, you are fighter the fearsome windmill breast. Listen to me, Sancho. Some days people will write of our great exploit. Exploit means fear. See here, exploits means bold deeds. Okay, sorry. Exploits means bold deeds, but we must prove worthy of that honor by vanishing villains and upholding justice. Do you understand? Okay. Sancho is saying to, Don Quixote, listen me. Okay, Don Quixote saying this word, listen me, Sancho. Someday people will write our great exploits. Okay. Some days people will talk about our journey. Okay, so vanishing villain and upholding justice. Do you understand? In fact, the windmill was working perfectly fine. Okay, the windmill is working perfectly. Sancho did this best to discourage Don Quixote from attempting anything else reckless. Reckless means rash. Okay, discouraged means not take particular action. Okay, Don Quixote and Sancho was moving another place. Okay, Don Quixote and Sancho paused a farm. They saw a thick cloud of dust appeared. Okay, after they reach the windmill, they go to another place. They see the farm. Okay, the farm is full of moist with dust. Okay, cloud of dust appeared. Okay, it's a full and full cloudy place. Okay. Don told him that there was undoubtedly a prodigious army marching in their direction. Okay, Don told to Sancho. Okay, they are saying, okay, prodigious means great in size. Okay, large army are marching in their direction. Don started to name the leaders and the principal knights in such army and to describe the different nation represented. Okay, Don saying about leaders. Okay, there are soldiers, so many soldiers in there. No, so they give the name of the soldier's name, and the principals knights means head of the principals in each army. Okay, in the each army we can see the head. Okay, head person. So they see the all the heads name and principal's name. Okay, to describe the different nation represent. How no? At least you must hear the nagging of steeds, the sound of trumpets, and the rattling of drums. Okay, Don Quixote saying, at least you can hear the neighing of steeds, means horse sound. Okay, horse being ridden, sound of trumpet, and the rattling of drums. When you are fighting, you can see the horse sound, elephant sound. Okay, they are rattling of drums. I can hear these sounds in these soldiers. I heard nothing but the bleating of many sheep and lamb. Sancho saying, I not hear anything. Okay, I can't hear anything. I am hearing only the bleating of sheep and camel. Your fear prevent you from hearing or seeing aright. But if you refuse to follow me to the battle, stand aside. I will go on alone. Okay. Then Don Quixote saying, you are fear. Okay, you are fearing means go and sit there. I will go to fight. Okay, I will go to battle. Okay, I will go on alone. I will go alone only. Hold, sir. Come back. I entreat. What madness is this? There are merely but sheep and lamb. Verily means truly. Okay, hold, sir. Come back. I entreat. Entreat means ask for someone to something. Okay, what madness this? Okay, there is the battle. Here only the sheep and lamb only is there, but the Don Quixote is wanted to fight with their soldier. Don Quixote set spur to Rocinante and charged into the midst of the sheep. Okay, spurs means when the horse riding in this leg, the riding horse person wear the wheel on this leg. Okay, when they hit the wheel, okay, the horse will run very fast. Okay, so like this she charged into the midst of the shape. Okay, Dornquist and Rosinante horse, both of them going to battle. At the frightened animal fled hilter skelter. Okay, they are frightened. Okay, they are afraid. All the animals. One person is coming very fast. No, so the sheep and the lamb are afraid and going far away. Their shepherds, seeing the causes of their disorder, blinding stones that soon he fell wounded to the ground. Okay, the shepherd person and all throw the stone on Dornquist's. Okay, Dornquist's head. Okay, he got wounded on his body. Hey, did you see these cowards ran? They are right to fair Dornquist. Okay, Dornquist say they are ran away. When I saw them, they are running. They are right to fear Dornquist. They are fearing about me. Look, it's Dornquist, the madman. The local peasants all thought Dornquist was crazy. Okay, the local peasants, the local farmers are, the Dornquists are very lazy person. They laughed and tuttered, cantered. He paused. They are laughing. This man is a very mad person. What kind of burst did you defeat this time? Hey. Did you finally get those evil sheep? Hey. Okay, what kind of burst? Burst means big figure. Okay, what did you defeat this time? Did you finally get any evil sheep? You got any sheep there? They are asking like this question. Oh no, master. Listen very carefully. They are not welcoming us. They are mocking you. Mocking means making fun. Okay, all of them, master. They are listen very carefully, master. They are not welcoming us. Okay, they are not welcoming. They are mocking you. Mocking means they are making fun with you. Sancho, look, see how the people welcome us. They must have heard of our great deed. So, okay, Don Piso says, Sancho, look this. These and all people are welcoming. Okay, welcoming me. They must have heard of our great deeds. Don Quixote did not understand and thought the people were cheering for him. Okay, Don Quixote did not understand the people are making cheering from him. Very well. We shall speak no more of this today. But we need more adventure, Sancho. Yes, master. We need more adventures. Okay. Then at last, Don Quixote says, very well, we shall speak no more of this today. Okay, today the time is over, but we need more adventure, Sancho. Yes, master, we need more adventures. Return to his estate, Don Quixote realized that all his adventures were simply about of his imagination. Okay, at last Don Quixote realized these adventures are product of his imagination. Don Quixote never embarrassed himself further by going on any more quest. Quest means search. Okay, embarrass means feel ashamed. Don Quixote never feel ashamed himself further by going on any more quest. But his house would always be full of children to whom he would tell the more fascinating stories about knights, squires and noble quests, and all lived happily together, going on many more adventures in this imagination. Okay, but his house, okay, in their house, Dornquist house, okay, children's only, okay, children's, oh, so many children's in their house, okay, he would tell the most fascinating stories about soldiers, squires, nobles, quest, all lived happily together, going on many more adventures in their imagination. Okay, these and all imaginations about Don Quixote lesson. Okay, now we are going to see the meanings. Okay, knights, N-I-G-H-T-S, knights, soldiers, incredible, unbelievable, hurlers, amazing, entertainment, okay, monster, gained, compact, fighting between armed force, steed, horse that is ridden, observed, greatly interested, blinking, the cry of sheep, crazy, mad, mocking, making fun, peasant, farmer, reckless, careless, exploits, bold deeds, quest, search, vanquishing, defeating. Now we are going to see vocabulary homophones. Vocabulary homophones. Already you have studied in the lower class itself. Homophones. Homophones means the words with their spells differently, but they have same sound. Okay. Homophones are two words that are spelled differently, but have the same sound. Okay, homophones are two words that are spelled differently but have the same sound. See, both of them are same sound but different spelling and a different meaning also. You can see this sea we can refer to river, sea. Okay, these and all. You have to write one sentence for this. Okay, sea and sea. Can you see the birds flying over the sea? Okay, can you see the birds flying over the sea level? Okay, another question. Write this is right side or left side, we can say no like that. This is right means writing. Okay, write one sentence. Write the address on the right side of the page. Right side of the page. See, write the address on the right side of the page. One more sentence, third one. Fab. The auto fab was not fab. The auto fab was not fab. Auto fab and not fab. Okay, like this you have to write the sentence. Next one, homemade. Homemade are spelled the same way, but different in meaning. Okay. Homilies are spelled the same way. You have to spell in the same way only, but difference in meaning. Here they give one sentence. See the bandage. The bandage was wound around the wound. Okay, you have to write the sentence. Wound. One wound is for injury. Another one is past tense of wind. Okay, like this another one. Fab. Okay, same way, meaning is different. First fab is good. Another fab is competition. Competition in exhibition. Competition in exhibition. The woodcutter saw a huge saw in his dream. Saw, past tense of see. Saw, tools for cutting woods. Write the right answer on the right side. Right, correct. Right, direction. Like this you have to write the answer. Okay, we will see the next class, students. Thank you.